My grandpa was a welder, my dad was a welder, just it carried on from there. He said I had the job, so I started learning, watching him weld. Just got me very curious, asking questions, learning how to, and watching them do it. So I thought, might as well try it. It's quick, to the point, and you're not wasting time going to a bigger school and get you in the shop, just let you weld and stuff, get the feel of it. I leave the high school about 12:30. I get to the college, we start class about 1 and weld, and then once I leave there I come straight out here and work till about 5 o'clock. And I also work at ORSHELN'S too. One day I'd like to be a pipeline welder. One day.